Hello, Scorpio, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs. Kamusta kayo? Sana po yung nasa mabuti kayong kalagayan. Welcome back po sa Star Tarot. Kung bago kayo dito, welcome din kayo. Thank you sa inyong support. I truly appreciate it. God bless you all, Scorpio. 35 pathway. Ayan. So, parang merong bagong path kayong tatahakin at this time, Scorpio. At kung ano man ito, maaring taking action na kayo, no? Towards whatever it is siguro na ine-ambition ninyo or pinapangarap ninyo, you know? Kasi, maring dati, ano lang to pinaplano nyo lang ito. Ini-imagine nyo lang ito. Pero ngayon, maybe you are going to put your actions na towards this para marating nyo na to, ma-accomplish nyo na to, ma-achieve nyo na to. No? So, maraming pagbabago ang i-create ng bagay na to, ng gagawin nyo na to. So, you are heading towards a new path and you are heading towards change, no? Sa buhay ninyo dito. Kaya good luck po. We have number 7, message. Meron kayong mensaheng makukuha, marireceive. This could be in the form of a letter. This could be in the form of an email, no? Maaaring yung sulat na to or informasyon na to is related dito. Maaaring meron kayong mga inaasikasong papeles dyan, no? Maaaring merong mga travel documents kayong hinihintay at maaaring yun ang marireceive ninyo. We have number 12, privileged lady. Privileged lady is a very prosperous and abundant energy, no? Kaya most likely meron kayong financial opportunities or financial blessings na parating dito that is going to bring forth financial comfort, financial freedom, no? Abundance and prosperity. So good luck po. We have number 34, occupation. Scorpio, maaring bagong trabaho, no? Maaring bagong trabaho ang papasukan ninyo. Maybe you're starting a new career sa ngayon or bagong trabaho. At kung ano man ang trabaho ito, maaring this is what you really love to do. This is really what you are dreaming of, no? So siguro dream come true yung trabaho na to. Kaya ini-enjoy ninyo to. Maybe this is where your passion is as well. We have number 9, change. Yan, as I said earlier, maraming pagbabago ang i-create ng pathway energy na to sa buhay ninyo at meron tayong change card, no? So, parang kinu-confirm niya lang na yes, magbabago talaga ang inyong sitwasyon at maraming pagbabago ang maaaring maganap dito sa buhay ninyo. At dito naman sa change card na to, no, this could be relocation. No, this could be relocation. So, maaring ang iba sa inyo dito is going to change a place of residence or maaring you're going to change home, di ba? Maaring ganon. At posible din, Scorpio, no, na ito ay magbabago kayo ng tirahan, opisina, employer, maglilipat kayo ng ibang bansa. Posibleng ganon ang ganap dyan. May regalong matatanggap si Scorpio, which is really beautiful. Kasi this could be a precious gift, no? Scorpio, this could be a precious gift. Maaring regalo ito na material. Maari din na regalo ito na pera. Maaring isang importante o napakahalaga sa inyo ng regalong ito or ng material na bagay na to. Kung hindi man ito material na bagay, this could be non-tangible gift at maaaring ito ay golden opportunity. Maaaring once in a lifetime na opportunity ito na dadating sa inyo. So, good luck. Journey, travel talaga is very imminent for you. There is travel here, there is travel here. So, maaaring international travel ang ganap dito for some of you or across the country, no? So, maaaring ganon ang ganap dyan. Number 19, coffin. Coffin is an ending and beginning energy. Okay? So, maaaring meron kayong tinapos na dito na sitwasyon kasi nakasara na yung coffin. So, meaning that's done. So, maaaring meron nang natapos kayo dito at magsisimula kayo ng bago. posibleng related sa trabaho, 'di ba? Maaaring nag-quit kayo sa isa dati ninyong trabaho, or maybe dati entrepreneur kayo tapos ngayon nag-shift kayo ng career at ngayon ay magtatrabaho kayo. So, posibleng ganon. It could be anything as well, depende sa inyong sitwasyon. Na mayroon kayong sisimulang bagong chapter dito sa buhay ninyo. We have angel number 2002. Ayan. So, sabi dito, you have more control over your life than you realize. Learn and execute what interests you. Turn things around. It gets better with time. There are plenty of friends to make. So, chill out, have fun, and open up. Go outside. Ayan. So, parang mag-chill naman kayo, no? Parang yun ang ganap dito kasi parang stressed out na siguro kayo, no? Siguro marami kayong iniisip, maraming pinagpaplanuhan, kaya teka lang, no, pahinga ka muna. Alright? There are so many opportunities out there para makakilala ka din ng mga bagong kaibigan, so go for it. Okay? What else? We have angel number 8888. So, napakaganda naman ito. There is a personal power, no, na babawiin ninyo dito. So, this is really beautiful kasi meron din ditong material na abundance. Hindi lang material, pati din spiritual abundance. There is wealth. So, maraming kaperahan talaga ang maaaring dumating sa inyo sa ngayon. Material gain, epic romance. So, bonggang-bongga, hindi ba? Parang meron na kayong pera, mayaman na kayo, balance ang buhay ninyo, meron din kayong masayang love life. So, this is really beautiful. Sabi dito, all that is good and pleasant in your life will multiply. Angels are sending the number to reassure you of the prosperity and well-being ahead. Wow, napakaswerte ninyo talaga. Your surroundings will treat you with admiration and respect. Use it for the greater good. Ayan, so bonggang-bonggang energy ninyo. Scorpio, napakaswerte, kaya good luck. And thank you for watching. Love and light. Namaste.